Welcome to Dodola, the most beautiful and epic place on Morotai, a true hidden gem where you can walk through the ocean like Jesus. Where is this place exactly? How can you get here? You will find out. Have fun in this episode. Showing you the beauty of our planet. Fabulous world.
Welcome to Indonesia! Maluku! We are going to Dodola. An island close to Morotai.
Subtitles.
That boat.
This is North Maluku, Halmahera, and here is Dodola on the west of Morotai.
Wow.
You know, the engine 250 pk, 250 pk.
And how do we get in?
Wait.
You can also take this boat.
We have been at the harbor at 8 o'clock in the morning, because at 8:30 the ferry should start. As we have been the only people at 8:30, the crew wanted to wait for more people to come. This is Indonesian style. The ferry will start as soon as there are enough people. So we needed to wait another hour and finally more people arrived. This is the Indonesian way how to enter a ferry. Of course, we could have also taken a speedboat, but that would be way more pricey. The ride takes roughly 30 minutes and it costs around $10 per person.
So just on the way to Dodola, you take like 30 minutes ride with the boat, and then we go to Dodola. Ilham is sleeping. Welcome to Dodola. Look where we are, walking on the water. Can you walk on the water? Really nice. Woo! Yeah, if you're in Morotai, you need to take the ferry and you need to go to Dodola and enjoy the famous walk between the ocean. Woo! Isn't this crazy? You need to walk on the ocean.
As you can see here on the left side, many Indonesian families are coming with big supplies to spend the whole day on this wonderful island.
In Dodola we enjoy now the coconut and our lunch. Let's enjoy this nice meal prepared by Ilham. We have banana, the heart of the banana as a vegetable. We have some beans with tahu, so basically tofu. And here also some tofu. And here we have sticky rice.
Saya punya ada. Untuk berdua.
So we go back to Morotai. And then let's see what we will do. Let's find Lisa.